Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Renault Twingo 1 litre twin air. This vehicle has 17,000 miles, 2 keys, and is a very spacious little car, very cheap to run. I'll now start by showing you the video and giving you a good walk around of the car. Starting at the front, we have daytime running lights which allow great view of the road. Great size windows for this little car, which gives you nice light in the vehicle and especially a good view of the other drivers on the road. Very clean wheel trims all the way around the car. We've also got good tyres. Pop out rear windows with rear hidden door handles and a glass tailgate. As you can see, all these make the car a very stylish and adorable little car. Rear roof spoiler, which is body coloured, and body coloured door mirrors and door handles. Stepping onto the interior of the vehicle, good space to get in, wide opening doors, height adjustable driver seat which allows for great driver comfort, cruise control on the steering wheel with audio controls down the side. In the centre you can see we have aircon with a rear heated screen and a FM player with USB functionality to play your music, as well as a Bluetooth. Down the centre we have a 12-volt charging socket for your phone to charge and plenty of storage points around the vehicle. Before leaving Luscombe, the car will come with a service and MOT if needed, as well as a valet. If you do have any questions, please feel free to call us on 0113 271 2288. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.